चेत् भवताशिरं सम्यक् नास्ति वा? किं भो बल्ले बल्ले कुर्वन्ति वा? I remember the first day I met you in Charavu temple. I invited you for the graduation day and as my husband, and you said yes, and it was very, it was very surprise for me, and I decided I want to marry you only. Thanks for my parents for introducing you to me, and it was very nice day, and this is a special day for me. Thank you so much.
కలలో కలవరమై కలవరమై గుండెలో పరవశమో వరమై కలలో కలవరమై కలవరమై కలిగే కోరిక ఏకాంతాల చెరలో స్వేచ్ఛగా